a special to you for watching this video. Okay, so now it is Mary's turn for her dress for New Year's party. And we all know she likes to dress sexy. Well, I had this, I don't know where it came from, but when I started with the dresses I want to make, when I saw this, I said to myself, I just have to make a dress with this. So I'm going to use this for Mary's dress. I've got a nice idea. And then just, okay, this little bit of gold and just t-shirt that is stretchable. Okay, I'm going to use the same principle as for Steffi and for Sally's dress. That's just the same, just the outer layers will look different. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, I think she just looks gorgeous in this dress. I love it, just love it. And yeah, so now I want to make some shoes. Okay, I've already painted the shoes with this. It's like a paint marker or something, because it had to dry obviously. So but it's exactly the same shoes as this one, same color, everything. So but I already just painted, so now I'm just gonna finish it off. I'm gonna use this little flower glittery thingy majinky. So yeah, let's carry on with that then. Okay, so yeah, these are beautiful shoes. I just adore them. So now you understand why my hands were full of paint the whole time. It's because I painted this. But yeah, so now it's only the only thing that's left to do now is jewellery. So I've also going to use this well, fan thing. So I hope this time it won't break. It's only for well, earrings and then a bracelet, because as with Sally, there's enough glitter in here, so I'm not going to put something around the neck. So yeah, I'm gonna try and use this again. I want this little holes in here to put this through for the earrings. So yeah, I hope this won't break this time. So let's do that. Okay, I did not like the way the dresses was too short for them. The underneath this little white dress underneath here, it bothered me the whole time, even through the photo shoot, which you will see in the next video. This is well the first ones. This one I would use maybe again for like a blouse or over a ski pant or something. This one I had to cut it because I had to cut it off there with the I couldn't get it off with the hot glue. So yeah, I made it a bit longer now, so I'm really happy now. And this one here, instead of what I just the previous time just cut the line through here, this time I made some circles around, and then I colored it with a gold Sharpie, so it's supposed to be gold. So that's the only thing, but I'm happy that the dresses is now longer. I didn't like it so short. So I liked how all the dresses came out. I think the girls just look gorgeous in the dresses. So yeah, give it a thumbs up if you also did like it, and then see you next time. Bye.